Hey everyone! Welcome to the tutorial. In this video, we'll be preparing the textures that we'll use to create a beautiful flowering plant in Blender. First, make sure you have a transparent image of a leaf and a flower, like the ones shown here. Open Photoshop and create a new document with a 1K resolution. Import both images into the file and place them side by side at the top of the canvas. Once they're aligned, merge the two layers together. Now, we'll create a simple rectangle filled with a green solid color. This will act as the stem texture. Position it below the leaf and flower, and then merge everything into one layer. Next, we'll create the opacity mask. Select the merged layer and add a solid fill with black color. Now merge it with a white background and invert the result. This gives us a clean opacity mask. Make sure to rename the opacity mask layer so you can keep everything organized. Now let's create the diffuse map. Duplicate the original layer with the flower and leaf. We'll keep this copy as a backup. Select the duplicate, and use the Flaming Pear plugin to flood and spread the texture. This helps us generate a clean diffuse map. Next, duplicate the diffuse map to create a normal map. Use the plugin or method shown here to generate the details and adjust them as needed. Then, duplicate the diffuse one more time to create the roughness map. Convert it to black and white, and use the curves tool to fine-tune the values. Remember, black equals smooth and shiny. White equals rough surface. Once everything is done, rename each texture correctly: diffuse, normal, roughness, and opacity. Export all your texture maps. We'll be using them in the next part to model and texture our flowering plant in Blender. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.